Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well. Today I'm going to share with you another recipe using strawberries for National Strawberry Month. And also Memorial Day is right around the corner. I'm going to share with y'all a simple and easy strawberry crisp. And my friends, it is the bomb.com delicious, full of fresh strawberries. And we're going to top it with a luscious oatmeal crumble. How yummy does that sound? It is so flavorful, and this dessert will be a hit for Memorial Day and for the summer months. For your barbecues and picnics, everybody will be going back for seconds. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my blueberry crisp and peach crisp recipe and my previous video, German chocolate cake. I'll post a link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your pie plate, your oatmeal, and your fresh strawberry sugar, because we're about to bake some strawberry crisp magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 32 ounces, which is 2 pints of fresh strawberries that I quartered. And it smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of fresh strawberries. Let's give our strawberries some sugar, shall we? We're going to add in 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to help thicken it, 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of pure strawberry extract. I'm going to give this a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Going to create a glaze. And I forgot to mention, I rinsed my strawberries. Alrighty, so now we're going to set our strawberries aside while we work on our yummy oatmeal crisp topping. In my bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of old-fashioned rolled oatmeal, 1/3 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gonna whisk all these dry ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Last but not least, we're gonna add in 1 stick of unsalted butter that I cut into cubes. It's nice and cold. And using clean hands, we're just gonna mix the butter in until it reaches coarse crumbs. Alrighty, my friends, this is what our crumble looks like. Love the smell of cinnamon. That looks great. So now we're ready to assemble our strawberry crisp. We're going to put it in the 9-inch pie plate that I greased with cooking spray. So I'm just going to scoop the strawberries into the pie plate. And you don't want all the glaze. Alrighty. Now we're going to sprinkle on our oatmeal crumble right on top of the strawberries. It's about to get down. Alrighty, Mr. Strawberry Crisp, the oven's nice and hot and waiting for you. We're going to put this in a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 35 to 45 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Fresh strawberry crisp. Don't that look good? And it smells amazing. Our oatmeal crumbles nice and golden brown. Alrighty, so now I'm going to let this cool for about 10 minutes, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. My friends, look at this beautiful plate of strawberry crisp. And what's better than fruit crisp with a scoop of vanilla ice cream? Doesn't get any better than that. And I also garnish it with a fresh strawberry. And it's nice and warm. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me a strawberry. Look at that. Have a bite. Oh my Lord. The strawberries is juicy. And that oatmeal topping is spot on incredible. Love that crunch. And I can taste the cinnamon. I'm in strawberry heaven. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm going to grab me a little ice cream. Yum-o. Strawberry crisp-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Memorial Day.